everyone, welcome to HauteMamas. Okay, well, Lisa, unsupervised. This is an unsupervised, unapproved purchase.
Well, I actually forgot about it because
Where'd you get it?
HauteLook.
Oh, HauteLook. Okay, I'll leave the link for HauteLook down there. Okay.
Yeah, so it's a sort of a flash sale site where you can go on and for 24, 48 hours they have a lot of different products that are on like half price or whatever. Anyway, but then you order and then it takes a while sometimes to get here. So naturally I forgot that I ordered this, but I ordered this.
Let's open it and show the people. Let's swatch that. Is that a blush and a lips?
It's got a blush and a lip gloss in it.
Oh, okay.
So anyway, it's just trial.
It's called, I'll read it out. It's called Tarte Skincare. No shower happy hour.
So
Tarte Skincare, no shower happy hour.
There was a couple of things that I wanted to try. Number one, Jackie swears by this.
I love Tarte Guard.
Swears by this sunscreen.
Yeah.
So I wanted to try that. So I thought that was a good way to try it.
Yeah.
And then another thing, in my quest to find
dry shampoos,
deodorant.
Oh, deodorant
that doesn't have aluminum and
okay.
You know, like a more natural deodorant.
Yeah.
So I wanted to try that as well.
Yeah.
And then everything else was a bonus. And it was pretty cheap too.
Right.
So,
so we have here hair goals,
dry shampoo.
Dry shampoo.
Haven't tried that either.
I'm gonna try it right now. All right. Just want to see if it's. The problem with being blonde is that
up your hair.
A lot of hair shampoo leaves your hair. No, I just wanted to see if it went white, because like sometimes the dry shampoo makes your hair look white, but it didn't. It feels all right. Very It's a fresh scent though.
That sounds good.
Yep.
Now the thing with deodorant versus antiperspirant, of course, is that one makes you not smell, and one
makes you not sweat.
Right. So the antiperspirant is good for not for keeping back the sweat under your armpits, and this one is good for scent. I have yet to find a kind of a natural deodorant that is good also for sweat. Yeah. And if you have enthusiastic sweaty sessions, which I do almost daily, then anyway. But I'm trying.
Just giving it a whirl.
Giving it a go. And then we have this blush in, what's it say? In something?
Insightful. I've never seen that one yet.
But it looks like a nude blush.
I like Tarte blush.
I do
like Tarte blush is one of my favorites. It's not very sparkly. Pretty. It's matte. Should be very nice. You should try it.
Should I put it on over top the blush I have?
Maybe you should try it.
Because more is more.
More is more. Right, exactly. And let me get my glasses so I can see what the name is.
Oh, it's a pretty color.
Oh, that's nice.
I like it.
Oh, that's very, very nice.
Now I have far too much blush on, but I really like it. Ooh, fun. Good purchase.
Yep. And then this is Tarte Glossy Lip Paint.
Oh, lip paint. You should put that on because I've got.
But I don't see a color. It doesn't say what color it is. Let me see if it's on the box.
Oh my God, such small writing.
Yeah, even to the point where I needed a.
I don't think there's a name.
No, there's not.
But anyway,
all right.
Let's watch it and maybe throw it on because you don't have.
I can throw it on. I'll swatch this.
Ooh, it's
That's
pretty.
pretty.
Is it a lip gloss or it's a lip paint?
It says lip paint.
Now Jackie's going to be on the hunt for this box.
Yeah.
Because that's a really
And of course, HauteLook, because it'll be long
No,
gone.
it's gone. It's totally gone, yeah. But I mean, they come back on, periodically. But that is a gorgeous color on you. It's gorgeous.
Oh my gosh. Now I'm sad.
And plus now we don't even know the name.
And I have the sads because I can't even get it. I don't even know what it is. It's very pretty.
Actually, it looks like lip gloss. Is it? Is it?
Yeah, it's not drying.
I feel like maybe I should put some on right there.
It's pretty.
You know what's so funny?
What?
It's almost the identical color. Oh my God, okay. Legit?
We need to know the color. I need to know this
almost
color.
the same
Inquiring
color.
minds.
Okay, so I'm wearing the new Charlotte Tilbury Duchess lip color. So there's that. I just put some of this over top and it looks exactly the same. Well, they're a little bit different.
A little, but not much.
Not much.
Wow. Wow. Look at that. If we only knew what color that was.
Then we would get 7
That's right.
right now.
Thanks for joining us on HauteMamas Live with our Tarte No Shower Happy Hour extravaganza. That's actually a good purchase. Now I'm sad that I didn't get one.
I know.
Thanks for joining us. Bye.